Lightning Raceway at New Jersey Motorsport Park, a fun medium to high-speed course featuring 10 turns across 1.9 miles. The GTA's Round 2 marks the midway point of the season with Buttonwillow Super Lap Finals up next. Last year saw the series return to NJMP after a 5-year hiatus, resetting the bar and leaving new records to break.
What's up guys, Tyler Pappas, driver the number 241, Tie-Speed CSF Cooling BMW M2, and we're here at New Jersey Motorsports Park Lightning, here for Global Time Attack. Today's been a tough day so far. We've had a couple of challenges with the car, readapting back from Pikes Peak. We've made some adjustments to the front end Ariel on this vehicle that have been making a couple changes throughout the course of the day that have been helping us overall get better front end grip. This track is very tight, but it's difficult to get around. A lot of use on the front end, especially the tires. It beats up the tires going through the light bulb, which is the last turn leading onto the straightaway. So it's kind of just a tough thing to readapt back from our previous event, but so far so good.
It's day one, and for session one, we went out and we put down a killer lap time. Put us right into first place right off the bat. We did a 1:11.9, and I was super pumped for our new chassis here with Project Not So Daily, and the car ran phenomenal all day long. We went out for second session. We had a little bit of a problem. We had a fire in the back of the car. If you noticed on the internet, you may have seen some really large flames coming from the back bumper. Well, we got that taken care of. Unfortunately, they kind of had to scratch session 2, but we noticed that the clouds had started to roll in, and we decided to put on our fresher tires because we knew that was cooler temps outside. So on the last session of the day, we went out there, and our second lap, we put down a 1:11.2, which pushed us even further into first place away from the competition. And hopefully tomorrow, on the first session, which is going to be the coolest session of the day, we can hopefully get an even faster time.
It's Chris Boersma here from K-Tuned and Boersma Racing. Just wrapped up our first day here at Global Time Attack, New Jersey. We fixed some issues in this car, and we got some new issues. So the big major issue that we've been dealing with over the last couple of events has just been keeping the aero off the ground and dealing with some of the effects that it's been having. So Eric at Levine Motorsports made this really cool new mounting system for the splitter. That's fixed, car felt really good. But now we have pesky intercooler piping that keeps popping off. And we think we have a solution for tomorrow. We grabbed a can of hairspray. Somebody told us about it, old drag racing trick. Sprayed it in there, got some new clamps, and hopefully it's going to hold together for tomorrow. And hopefully we'll be able to break that record in limited.
Unfortunately, James had an off that caused some issues just not fixable at the track. Still with the fastest time this weekend yet by a healthy lead, chances were he'd stay in P1 by the end of the weekend. In a much closer fight, Street Mod saw Shilun Wu and his Mustang creeping closer to Sally's time.
Hi, my name is Shilun Wu. I'm with Destino Wush Racing in the 666 Ford Mustang race car. Today is day 2, and right now in street class we're sitting on top with Sally McNulty just behind us. We did a 110 actually, 110 earlier this morning, and we've been pretty happy with the car. And we went out on session 2 today to refresh our time, and we did just that. So right now we're sitting at first place, and we're happy with the car. We're having some throttle control problems right now, but we're just not going to fix it for the weekend, and we don't have the part for it. So let's hope nobody goes faster than us, and we'll take the first place in street class.
great first session. We went down and put our fastest time of the weekend down of a 1:11.1. Super pumped on that time. The car handled fantastic. Unfortunately, we had a small failure with the header, which caused us to retire early.
And we just did a first place in class today with this car. We're really happy about it. Yesterday we had some issue with the intercooler pipings falling off, and we were able to solve those problems really quickly. And this morning we sent the car out with fresh tires, and we were able to get a 110.9, I believe. And right now we're sitting in first in street class. We're really looking forward to the next Global Time Attack event in Buttonwillow later this year. And we were at the Global Time Attack Road Atlanta event this May, and we were able to finish 5th, but we had serious turbo problems back then. But this time we really did pretty well, and hopefully we'll take another first place in the next race with GTA, and then we will be able to take the championship for street class this year.
All right, guys, here's your unlimited podium. We got Dan Kroll, Phil Grabo, and James Houghton. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. Great job. This is your limited podium. Ty and Tyson, Chris Borsma, and Joel Morrison. Outside Racing on the S2000. First place and a new rear-wheel drive street record. Shylin Wu with a 110.951. Here's your street podium. Third place, Nishan Patel. Second place, Raymond Guerrero. First place, Mr. Arwin Chen. Here's your enthusiast podium. We have a Yokohama challenge going on. If you have ran Yokohama tires at any of the GTA events, the top 5 people in the point system get to split a purse of $5,000. So everyone